Big sound, bold design, and built for adventure, meet the Stromberg Force, the boombox that brings power and style wherever you go. Another collab with August, this speaker has an aesthetic inspired by the flowing shapes of nature. The Force stands out wherever it's set up. Sound-wise, it's a force to be reckoned with. 40 watts of RMS power, dual 4-inch subwoofers, and a battery that lasts up to 9 hours. With IPX4 splash protection, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, pool days, or just about any setting. Connecting is easy with built-in Bluetooth, and with Stromberg Connect, you can link it with another force for stereo sound that'll amp up any party. It also comes with RGB lights, 3.5 at 6.3mm aux inputs, and a digital equalizer to customize your sound just right. If you want power, style, and durability in one boombox, the Stromberg Force is the speaker you've been waiting for.
Stromberg, the sound of people.